Welcome to today's video. My name's Amir and today we'll be looking at this absolutely beautiful Porsche 911 GTS. Now what we've done on this vehicle is a really special installation and one that I love doing and love having in my own cars whenever I drive. And that is of course the Target Blu Eye 2. Now this is a product we're installing more and more often into clients' cars and is becoming a really popular upgrade. Now we're able to do the mirror installation. So what that actually means is the usual display for the Target Blu Eye, a normal little LCD display, is now able to be integrated into your factory mirror and have a really nice, neat, clean display. So what that means is as you're driving down the road, there's no need for an extra module or anything else visible in the car. It's all hidden away, and we can even set it on something called a dark mode, which means that it will stay completely hidden away until it needs to alert you. Now you might be asking, what does this Target Blu Eye system actually do? What is it alerting me to? And what that is that it's emergency service vehicles. So any ambulance, fire, marked or unmarked police. Now it's giving you your distance to any of those vehicles and giving you an audible and visual warning as you get closer. Now this is quickly becoming one of our most popular installations on any vehicle, but specifically ones like these. Now in terms of the install and what it comprises of, it's quite an involved process. So as well as the display obviously in the factory mirror, you've got a module that is discreetly hidden away in the vehicle, as well as two sensors at the front located in the bumper. Now what this is going to allow is give us best coverage as it possibly can, with the Target Blu Eye 2 giving a coverage of up to 1 kilometre. Now that is a fair distance, but it also can reduce with something called city mode. That means when you go into a city, when you're closer to any emergency service vehicle, when there's going to be more in your area, we can reduce that range so that you don't get as many alerts. Now the Target Blu Eye 2 has so many extra functions now. So first of all, we've got a dark mode, so that can stay dark until you actually approach any of the emergency service vehicle. And we can also change the brightness and volume of the display if you're driving at night or during the day. Now, if you're interested in having a similar installation fitted on your car, just like we've done on this Porsche 911, feel free to get in contact with either myself or my team and we can assist you further. Now, I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you're interested in watching future content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.